Hey, that Canadian wildfire smoke let up. You can see it's clear out, and I looked at the output on my solar panels, and it was a lot lower than normal. So I went out and kind of felt them, and they had like a soot grit on them. I tried rinsing them off with a hose, but that just wouldn't get it off, and the output was lower. So you're seeing how we've got a nice sunny day today. I'll see if I can get them cleaned up. And all they took was a window washing microfiber tool here with a squeegee on the back side. And I put some hot soapy water. I used Dawn dish soap in it. I was afraid to use vinegar on it because I don't know what the glass on these panels are. I just went over it and scrubbed it good and then rinsed it off and squeegeed it off. And actually it made a big difference. I'll show you at the end. So if you're anywhere where there's a lot of smoke in the air, turns out that you will build up soot on your solar panels. Oh yeah, there's some bird poop too. We got to clean off, but uh, the soot is not something like normal dust. Will just rinse off with a hose and be done with it. But this soot was just stuck to the panel. It was like real gritty. So I just want to tell you, if you're in an area and it looks like your solar output is down after getting bombarded with that wildfire smoke, try cleaning your solar panels and should get the power levels back up. Looks like we've got today is going to be the good day and maybe part of tomorrow, and then it looks like smoke's coming back for a couple days, so I'll probably have to do this again. But it did make a big difference, and it was worth doing in the end. Because there it is, you see everything nice and shiny, there's nothing on them anymore. So, gonna get my full power output from them again today. And there's a brush. It's just a window brush for second story windows that I use. Got microfiber cloth for scrubbing, and I was about 2950 watts before cleaning them. It's up to about 3847 now. So that did make a big difference. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.